Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. So if today is the first time of seeing this channel, do it by subscribing. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a beautiful handbag, carry bag, shopping bag, multi-purpose bag. So let's get into the detail of today's video. So I'll be using this beautiful material. So this is for the lining. Alright, so it's a little bit thick. Alright, so the measurement is 15 inches by 29 inches. So the wideness is 15, the length is 29 inches. Okay, and for the handle, I have 4 by 25 inches. You need 2 of it, 2 of this. And then for the lining, 15 by 30 inches. So the first thing you're going to do is to, mind you can use any material of your choice. You can use African fabric, you can use upholstery, you can use any material for this design. All right, so if you're using an African fabric, all you need to do is you pad it, you put an interface, like, okay, to make it thick. All right, so after this, I'm going to stitch it round. All right, so the next thing is to trim off this excess. You don't need it, so we trim it off. So the next thing is we work on the handle. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'll form it like this. So by the time you're done with it, this should give you 1 inch. Okay, so if you're using belt, you use 1 by 25 inches, but if you're using material, you use 4 by 29 inches. Because at the end, this is going to give us 1 inch. So top stitch the tip. Alright, so the next thing I'll do is I'm going to be fixing my handle this way. Okay, so I'll measure 4 inches from here, like this. So from here to here 4 inches, from here to here 4 inches. Okay, then top stitch it. So after now, I'm going to fold this like this. Like so. So this is like 1 inch. I'll top stitch it. I'll top stitch it the second time. I have the first stitch at the bottom and the second stitch at the top. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to measure. I notch the center of the bag, okay, from top to, I notched the center and fold it this way. So let's get the center again. So you notch the center. The next thing I'm going to do is I'll notch the center, okay, then I measure 2 inches. Okay, look at this. From the notched center, right, mark 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, and then 2 inches. So now watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do an inside folding. I'll make sure that the 2 inches meet at the point. You see? So this is what I'm going to do. So you see. So now we are going to top stitch it. So I'm going to repeat the same thing to this side. Remember, we marked 2, right? So the 2, so just use something visible. So the 2 should meet at the same point, not forgetting the notched center, right? So once you get it straight, you top stitch it this way. So just pull it in and top stitch. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cover this rough edge by folding it this way and top stitching it like so to this point. So guys, let's take a look at what we have here. So I'm going to be turning it inside out to see the beauty that we have here. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe. So just use your hand to bring out the shape. So you can try this using a needle material. Let's see what we will get. So this is a beautiful bag. So kindly click on the thumbs up button to like the video, subscribe to this channel, Tarron Innovative World, if you're yet to subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Do you have a question? Do you have a video suggestion? Let us know in the comment section. Bye for now.